Hello friends, are you ready to fill in a few blanks today? Here is a sentence. The solution for both of these problems dash the same. How would you fill in the blank? I have options for you, is, are. Which one would you choose? Many people would say that the solution for both of these problems are the same. It is because the blank comes soon after problems, and we may think that it is correct to say the problems are the same. But here we are talking about the solution of the problems, not the problems themselves. We can't say the solution are the same, can we? So the sentence should be, the solution for both of these problems is the same. Another example, the mangoes in the basket dash for sale is, are. We may tend to say the mangoes in the basket is for sale because the blank comes soon after basket. But remember, the mangoes are for sale, not the basket. We cannot say mangoes is for sale, can we? So the sentence should be, the mangoes in the basket are for sale. The subject here is mangoes, not basket. Consider another example. The fall of the party and the ministers dash unexpected was where? Many people would say the fall of the party and the ministers were unexpected because the blank comes soon after the party and the ministers. And we feel like saying party and the ministers were unexpected. But again, here the subject is the fall. We are talking about the fall of the party and the ministers, not about the party and the ministers themselves. We can't say the fall were unexpected, can we? We should say the fall was unexpected. So the sentence should be, the fall of the party and the ministers was unexpected. I will tell you the grammar rule involved in this context. We will consider another example now. The relatives of my father dash living far away was where? It is not the relatives of my father was living far away. It is the relatives of my father were living far away. It is because the subject here is the relatives of my father, not my father. So we should say the relatives of my father were living far. Just one more example. This river flowing through the districts of Idukki and Ernakulam dash a blessing for many. We feel like saying the districts of Idukki and Ernakulam are a blessing for many. But here we are talking about this river. This river is a blessing, not the districts. So we should say the river is a blessing, right? Not the river are a blessing. So the sentence should be, this river flowing through the districts of Idukki and Ernakulam is a blessing for many. We can easily understand this situation with a little thinking. And this rule is called in grammar Subject-Verb Agreement. It is very simple. Think of a family. For a family to be ideal, the husband and the wife should be in agreement, right? Similarly, for a sentence to be ideal, the subject and the verb should be in agreement. If the subject is singular, the verb should be singular. If the subject is plural, the verb should also be plural. But you may wonder where the verbs are in these sentences. Are the words is, are, was and were verbs? Yes, they are verbs. But they are not action verbs like sit, take, open, read, go, come, walk, pluck, etc. But they are verbs. They are non-action verbs. So, please note down the homework for today. Fill in the blanks with the right verb. 1. A box full of toys and chocolates dash given to him as a gift was where? 2. Design of birds dash different from that of animals is, are. 3. Solutions for this problem dash many is, are. The X-ray of the heart and the lungs dash normal was where? Copies of the lesson dash distributed among the students was where? We will meet again this Tuesday with yet another interesting story. Thank you very much and bye bye.